Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G7 Power and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first you have to click on the camera button to open the camera app, and as you can see we are in the standard photo mode, so we have to move to more advanced settings, and we can do it by tapping on this button at the right corner here. And as you can see we are in the camera settings. From here we have to slide down to the capture settings, and as you can see here we have the assistive grid. So by tapping on this button here we can easily turn on and turn off the grid lines on this device. So this is how it works. For now I'm going to stay to turn on grid lines to show you how it looks like in the camera view, and as you can see it generates us these lines. This is helpful when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography and making experiments with composition. And of course when we want to turn it off, we go back to the settings in the right corner, slide down and tapping on this again. And as you can see for now it's gone. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.